So let's move on. So I'm drawing a circle and then drawing two lines of boxes and then drawing the lips and the nose. Let me put some shades with yellow color. Here's a pumpkin staring images. So let's move on. Here again I'm using a carrot to draw. Let's put an alphabet 2 and draw a 2 carrots. Draw the leaves top bottom and shade them with a beautiful carrots. Thank you. And then let's move on. Here I'm drawing a mushroom. So first draw the bottom and the linings of mushroom and then draw the cap. So after that draw the circles inside a mushroom. So again a mining mushroom has been drawn next to the top mushroom. So let's draw different kinds of mushrooms, and mushroom is good for health also. So here's a beautiful mushroom that has been drawn with a beautiful grass. So let's shade them with yellow and the orange color.